What's going on, everyone? Shadow here with a quick little unboxing I want to show you guys. So today, funny story, I went into GameStop to pick up my copy of the Crash Insane Trilogy, but that's not why we're here. Nope. When I walked into there, there was something that caught my eye. This cool little Mega Construx Charizard. So obviously this is like a knockoff of Mega Bloks, which is all just a knockoff of Lego. But anyways, as soon as I walked in, this caught my eye, and I said to myself, you know what? I need to buy it. So I did. Anyways, here's the front. Here's the top. The sides, nothing really interesting there. And then the back, that's what it looks like right there. And then there's also, I did see these little guys that come in a little Pokeball that you put together. None of those really catch my attention. Maybe the Zubat does. They got a Charmeleon and then a Charmander and a Squirtle, which both look horrible. They did have an Ivysaur there, and I did want it, but of course I was drawn to the Charizard. Now, I already went ahead and cracked this open because this thing is stupid hard to open, so I did that off camera. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here's a quick peek, and let's go ahead and dump everything out. Yay! Get rid of the box. Put it over there for now. Okay, so let's go over this real quick. I guess this is our 2 manual. Interesting. Let's see, what else we got? Oh, hello. What's this? So here's the kit we got. That's our Charizard. Comes with the Great Ball. That's cool. And, oh my god. So, that's the Ivysaur I saw there. I did want that, but I went for the Charizard. That looks amazing. A freaking Gyarados. Oh my god, I want that. I need that. I need that in my life. So that's that. And then we got... what do we got here? We got 6 bags of parts. 6... oh my god, these are tiny. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at all these parts. Freaking tiny. I can see wings. So it looks like this thing's actually going to be kind of small, but, you know, whatever. I'll go ahead and put it together and show you guys what it looks like later on. Now that Gyarados might be bigger, but oh my god. So that's going to do it, guys, for this quick little unboxing for this Mega Construx Charizard right here. I did get this at GameStop, just to say that one more time. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, you know, comment what you want to see. I'll have more videos like these coming up. That's gonna do it for this time. Shadow out.